What do you want? You
The
want
hi.
chicken salad?
We got
Or the
daddy.
pasta salad?
Dylan say daddy. What's up, y'all? Guess where I am? Can you guess? No? I'll give you a hint. We're at the beach today. Really happy about that. All right, here we are. Underneath our nice little cabana.
Don't get my, you just got my booty. Look at the shot.
I don't know if I did. We're underneath our nice little Easy Go cabana. Love it.
We got avocado. If you're Dominican, you can't go anywhere without one of these, all right?
No. Then we got the little chill station over here. We got the little dining area right here. We got the play area right there. And I'm right in the middle here in the waiting for food area.
It's a little cold. It's just a little cold.
Hey!
Look, Blake, look.
Hey, look at mama! Say hi to mama! Hey, dudes! Look at that wave! And jump! And another one. And jump! And another one. And jump! Okay, now that there's no wave, hold on to my arm and pretend to try to swim. Try to swim. Kick your legs, kick your legs.
No, I want to go.
Oh, boy. That was a great beach day, and now it's the long walk to the car. And if you're ever in the mood for a just quaint beach town, family, ice cream shop, pharmacy diner, it's all about Ocean Grove.